Post-secondary disability support services. What are disability support services? Disability support services ensure accessibility for further support to students that have a disability and/or IEP, which stands for Individual Educational Plan. They advocate for a manageable academic and physical environment for students with a disability while working collaboratively with staff and faculty. Who qualifies? Students with a disability or IEP. Why should you take advantage of disability support services? College or university is no longer like high school, where you had an IEP meeting and you discussed what you needed, and where your teachers and parents sat to discuss this. In college now, you are the biggest and probably only advocate for yourself. It is your responsibility to seek help and support that will help you be successful in your courses. Being part of disability support services gives you certain accommodations that are alike to those in high school and from which you can benefit from. What type of support and accommodations can you obtain? Here are a few: note taker, recording device, extra time for assignments or tests, testing room, eligible for reduced units, and priority registration. How do I enroll? Each school has their own enrollment process, but the process is very similar among all. First, contact the school's Department of Students with Disabilities. Please note, a school might have a different name for this department. Second, inquire within what is their enrollment procedure. Third, have a copy of your IEP available to provide to them, as this is your proof of disability and/or eligibility for these services. Fourth, shortly after you have submitted your IEP and other intake forms the college will provide to you to fill out, you will be contacted or instructed on how to schedule an intake meeting. In this meeting, you will be shared more information on the support they provide. Lastly, during the intake meeting, discuss with the counselor what is it that you need, what services you believe you can benefit from to be successful in your courses. Make sure you take note of the services you're being given and the name of the counselor for future reference. If there are any further steps necessary, you will be notified by the department. It is time for an activity. Pause the video and search on a disability support services department on a college and/or university of your choice. During your search, note their contact information. Make sure you can see their phone number and email. What is their enrollment process? And are there any intake forms that have to be submitted? Remember, it is very important to check your school email regularly in order not to miss on any announcements, deadlines, or notices. Thank you. This concludes our lesson for post-secondary disability support services.